Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 6.4, question number 3. If the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above the lake is theta 1 and the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is theta 2. Prove that the height of the cloud is located from the ground is h tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 over tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2. Look at this figure. Here the h meter above this is a h meter above the lake. Here AB is the water level in the lake. Here angle of elevation is theta 1 and the angle of diffraction of the reflection of the it in the lake is theta 2. Angle of depression is theta 2. Now this also h, let it be this x. So b, suppose BC days is x plus h, since from the water level the original figure that is and reflection is the same distance. It looks same distance from the water level. Now AB is the surface of let AB is the surface of water in the lake. Surface of water. Then AP equal to H, the point P, AP equal to H meter. H meters. Now here the point P, suppose PM is perpendicular to CC days. Now angle CPM, that is angle of elevation is theta 1. Elevation and angle of depression theta 2. Let it be theta 1 theta 2. Now here in triangle CPM, tan theta 1 equal x over AB. Here AB and PM is equal here. PM, which is equal x over AB also you can write, because PM is equal to AB, therefore AB. Let it be 1. Now we can write tan theta 1 equal x over AB. Therefore we can write AB equal x over tan theta 1, that is equal to x cot theta 1. we can get it. This is 1. Now in triangle PMC dash, that is PMC dash, tan theta 2 is tan theta is equal MC dash over PM. That is x plus h over PM. Therefore, you can say tan theta 2 is x plus x plus 2h, not here, x plus PM equal to x plus 2h, then which is equal from that we can say PM equal x plus 2h over tan theta 2, which is equal x plus 2h tan theta 2 go up is cot theta 2. Let it be 2. From 1 and 2, both are equal. From 1 and 2, we can equate AB equal to PM. Look at this figure. AB equal to PM. Therefore, 1 and 2, we can say x cot theta 1 equal x plus 2h cot theta 2. On equating the value AB, now we can write x cot theta 1 equal x cot theta 2 plus 2h cot theta 2. Therefore, here x cot theta 1 minus x cot theta 2 equal 2h cot theta 2. Therefore, x is common. Cot theta 1 cot theta 2 equal 2h cot theta 2. Therefore, we can write x cot theta 1 is 1 over tan theta 1 minus 1 over tan theta 2 equal 2h cot theta 2. Therefore, x, look at this, tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 by cross multiplying, it gives tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 equal 2h cot theta 2. 2h cot theta 2. Then cot theta 2. Therefore, from that we can find x equal, further here, x equal tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 over tan theta 1 tan theta 2 equal 2h over, which is equal 2h over cot theta 2 is tan theta 2. Tan theta 2 cut both sides. So we have x equal 2h cross multiplying 2h tan theta 1 over tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Now let us have some space for this. Now we have x. Now look at this here, the figure CB. CB is x plus h. CB is x plus h. From that, length of CB is x plus h. Therefore, CB is 2h tan theta 1 by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 plus h, which gives tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 theta 1 here 2h tan theta 1 plus h into tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Then further by simplification, here 2h tan theta 1 minus h tan theta 1, it becomes, after simplification, it gives h tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 over tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2 equal to CB, hence proved. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.